The battlefield of the future is changing, moving increasingly onto the open ocean. The UK has launched Project COOKSON to develop fast attack drone boats for Ukraine. This initiative introduces unmanned vessels with advanced capabilities. The project aims to bolster Ukraine's defenses. Project COOKSON reflects the growing importance of unmanned systems. These drone boats offer a versatile and cost-effective way to project force at sea. Their development underscores the commitment of the UK and its allies to supporting Ukraine. The COOKSON project is a testament to rapid advancements in drone technology. These developments are transforming modern warfare, offering new possibilities for intelligence gathering and combat operations. The deployment of these drone boats will impact naval strategies for years to come. The heart of Project COOKSON lies in the impressive capabilities of the drone boats. These aren't just remote-controlled toys, they are sophisticated maritime platforms designed for speed, endurance and lethality. With a top speed exceeding 40 knots, the COOKSON boats can outrun most conventional vessels. This speed is crucial for both offensive and defensive operations. Their range of up to 800 nautical miles ensures they can operate effectively across vast areas. This reach is vital for patrolling coastlines and securing maritime routes. It allows Ukraine to project a credible deterrent force, enhancing its maritime security. The COOKSON boats are designed for endurance, capable of remaining at sea for 72 hours without refueling. This allows them to maintain a persistent presence, providing constant surveillance and rapid response. This endurance is crucial for prolonged missions, such as monitoring enemy activity and protecting maritime infrastructure. One of the defining features of the COOKSON drone boats is their emphasis on stealth. Their low observable design minimizes their radar and visual signatures, making them extremely difficult to detect and track. This stealth capability is essential for operating effectively in contested waters, allowing them to approach targets undetected and launch surprise attacks. The COOKSON boats are engineered to operate even in environments where GPS signals are degraded or completely jammed. This resilience against electronic warfare is crucial in modern naval warfare, ensuring that these unmanned vessels can continue to function effectively even when facing sophisticated enemy countermeasures. Furthermore, these drone boats can operate both autonomously and semi-autonomously. This means they can carry out missions independently, following pre-programmed routes and engaging targets based on preset rules of engagement. It also allows for human operators to take control remotely when necessary, providing flexibility and adaptability in complex situations. The deployment of COOKSON drone boats holds significant strategic implications for Ukraine's defense. These vessels provide Ukraine with a potent asymmetric capability. This means they can challenge much larger and more heavily armed adversaries by exploiting their speed, maneuverability, and low observability. The arrival of these drone boats will significantly enhance Ukraine's ability to defend its coastline, protect its maritime infrastructure, and deter potential aggression. They offer a cost-effective way to bolster Ukraine's naval capabilities, providing a force multiplier that can level the playing field against a numerically superior adversary. The COOKSON project represents a crucial step in modernizing Ukraine's armed forces and equipping them with the tools they need to face evolving security threats. It underscores the UK's commitment to supporting Ukraine's sovereignty and territorial integrity, sending a clear message of deterrence to potential aggressors in the region. The development and deployment of these fast attack drone boats highlight the changing nature of warfare and the growing importance of unmanned systems in shaping the future of naval conflicts.